founded the foundry in 2012, and currently we are doing the 1200 tons per month productions, having the ductile line 70% and 30% is a grand, and we have the two high pressure molding line. We are it's a diversified business verticals like in automotive, general engineering parts, electrical parts, and agriculture. So, and we are supplying the castings across the globe. Generally, in our 80% products are made from cores in the foundry process, specifically in terms of productions and the rejections due to moisture. We found a issue like sometimes cores are not drying properly like a conventional method. So we are thinking about some new ideas that how we can implement the good method. I came to know Enerzi Microwave Systems from Belgaum. We have lots of discussions. We have had some trials on prototypes, and then we think that it could be worked. Then we have given them the orders for this microwave core oven. We have installed the capacities 1 metric ton per hour. For conventional dryers for core we are facing so lots of issues, like first of all that it is a very high power connections compared to this, so automatically our fixed power cost is increased. The second thing is that the conventional core oven dryer, we have also faced the issues like it is heated all over through the core, so the unnecessary energy wasted, sometimes the elements of the cores, and then we have also tried the manually by core drying systems by air. So definitely it will take 48 hours to dry, even if we are not getting the proper results. Reasons we have also tried to use spirit based paint to immediate core drying, but still we have the facing the issues like very high cost of that material. So for this we have introduced these microwave oven. We have find the lots of benefits compared to the conventional methods. First is that our core lining and productivity alignment is very good, like it is not a belt system, it's a pure trolley system, so that maximum core we can accommodate in the oven. The second thing is that the installed power is almost 25% less to the conventional dryer. When we measure the power in the conventional dryer, it is consuming 1100 rupees per hour, and here we have measured the power cost 400 rupees. Our simple operators are running throughout the phase, and we are currently are very happy with these products. So these are new innovations we are always trying in our foundry.